Make way for the Anvil.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE European Championship. Introducing the challenger, representing the Hart Foundation from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, just a force to be reckoned with.
You know, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, guys, held the national shot put record. He spent some time in pro football and indeed can throw anybody around.
One of the most intimidating superstars you'll find.
And introducing the champion from New York, weighing in at 226 pounds, he is the WWE European Champion, Owen. Hart.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up, and a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now. The champ has never looked more focused, laser focused on the task at hand. Remember, guys, this represents all of Europe.
One of the more unique titles in WWE history on the line here tonight. The European title.
You call it unique, Cole. I'd call it underrated. Some truly great talents have held that championship.
Uh-oh, no, don't do this, don't do this. Ah, stop to the belly. Producing a trampling. And he has an answer for Neidhart. Ah, look at this.
Holding in on the arm.
Oh, look at this. What a headbutt. Elbow drop right on point.
And Neidhart dodges that one.
Just breaking down the opponent. Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there. Biting, really. He turns it around.
Going up to the top. What are we going to see here? Dragon sleeper locked in. Oh, my God.
Elbow drop right on point.
Dodges.
Facing the Anvil is no small task. How do you come away with a win against an athlete as powerful as him?
Jim Neidhart is indeed an athlete, but think of his pre-WWE background. Shot put, football. These are sports that required short, concentrated bursts of energy. You need to grind this out and force the Anvil to tire out. Neck breaker excellently executed. He's got him in the crosshairs. Take off.
He misses the target.
Short flight, but a rough landing.
punched him right in the mouth.
Oh,
relentless.
God. Enough already.
Metal rope forearm on point. Ruthless striking. Wrenching the arm. Kick to the chest. Those last hits rattled the champ.
Yeah, Cole, but at this point in the match, you still haven't lost the edge.
What a hot shot. Sent all the way to the outside. Staring back to his feet, but he might not know where he is. From the top. Oh, no! Taking a chance, and it didn't pay off at all. And he has an answer for Neidhart.
Banging back with their own counter.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him. Oh, my Lord, what is he? Oh, gross. How barbaric. What a chancery. And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold. Targeting the shoulder with the claw. It's cinched in.
Escape and a takedown. Bang, nice contact there.
And he sends him into the corner. Going up to the top. What are we going to see here?
Dragon sleeper locked in. Oh!
Elbow drop right on point. Hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here. In trouble in the grass. What a unique submission maneuver here. Look at the pain his opponent's in. How much punishment can he tolerate? Oh, and he gets out. Perhaps some renewed life in him now. Powerless position to be in right now. Lands face first. Hard for the champ to fight back from this.
I don't want to say he's done, but I can hear the fat lady warming up.
Hurricane. Step up insecurity. Right in the ear. Covered by the champ. 1, 2, 3. No. Title match continues. So close. So close.
Anvil stumbling into the line of fire.
This could be the beginning of the end. The sharpshooter. He's in complete control. Opponent has nowhere to go. Could be tap out time. Tap out. That's it. The champ stays the champ. These guys gave everyone their money's worth. Here's another look.
Here is your winner and still WWE European Champion, Owen Hart.
Perseverance getting the gritty victory tonight.
After this win, you cannot question the heart and determination of